Because?
Because you're 21 years old.
How do you know I was 21?
I know.
I'm not 21, I'm 22.
Oh, man.
Oh, but if you just looked at me on the street, how old would you think I am?
No. 22.
Older? Oh my god. Okay, teach me. You go first.
You just put the ball into the like you can do it like a different thing that like I'm scared.
You can do it again. Why are you scared? Because I'm recording you?
No, I'm scared because I'm gonna throw the ball away.
Oh, you're not gonna do it. Don't worry.
Stop again. You just have to keep it like a
Okay. I'll give you one more chance. Come on. Do it.